Welcome back. You are listening to our Power Women's Business Center radio show here in your hometown station, KHTS AM 1220. And this program is being brought up to you by the Power Women's Business Center.
And just a quick reminder for our listeners, we will be holding our June 26th big event sponsored by New York Life, and the event is called Latinas with Power. And we have a power woman with us today, Gloria Mercado Fortain, and she will be one of the panelists that we will be interviewing at that event.
And that will be a good way to not only see Gloria in person, you are all invited to our event. It's going to be on June 26th, starting at 6 p.m. From 6 to 9, and after 9, we're going to have a little time to have a little mingle, meet new people, meet new business owners, new friends, and potential clients, because I always like to encourage people to attend this type of events because it gives you the opportunity to open new doors in your business and in your personal lives. And by meeting Gloria, it will be an amazing opportunity to know who's going to be running for City Council. So I'm encouraging you to be part of our event, June 26th. Can you give us the phone number and the address so they can...
If you would like more information, please call us at 1-800-989-5315, or you can simply stop by and just visit us at 17960 Sierra Highway. We're in Santa Clarita, and our zip code is 91351.
And we're going to have 4 people at the event.
4 speakers, yes.
4
panelists.
4 panelists. They're going to be talking about their personal lives, secrets. No, I'm just kidding.
Accomplishments.
Okay. Top secrets.
Everything will come out.
Everything. We want to remove everything from the drawers. Top secrets. Well, we're going to have Gloria Mercado Fortain. We're going to have Claudia Costa from the COC. An amazing and a powerful woman, somebody that I really love, and I mean many people know Claudia Costa. We're gonna have Patsy Ayala, who is the owner of the Our Valleys magazine, a bilingual magazine, the only bilingual magazine here in the city of Santa Clarita, Our Valleys, which is growing and outreaching the community very, very well, because it's not just a print magazine, it's an online magazine, and they normally promote their clients through social media, online marketing, which is a plus. And
also, I wanted to mention, too, as well, I mean, while we have our other power woman here present, she will be announcing, her and her husband, Bruce, will be announcing the July 4th parade. Can you tell us a little bit more about that event, too? Part of your busy calendar.
Yes, it's
okay,
I
don't know how Gloria
do it.
It's a wonderful parade, and my husband Bruce and I have been announcing for many, many years. It's wonderful. I mean, this parade we've had this parade in downtown Newhall since 1932.
Oh, wow.
So it is. It's part of our heritage. And it is a wonderful parade.
We will be there.
Good.
Yes.
I am glad.
Yeah.
We want to get a lot of people there, and it's going to be fun as usual. The parade starts at 9:00.
Great.
And actually, if anyone or organization is still interested in being in the parade as an entry, there's still time because the deadline isn't until June 19th.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and to register, it's only $35 to get into to be an entry in the parade. So we encourage as many organizations, groups, and so forth.
So what do you mean to
go
be
in.
entered? Like 35, and what are they allowed for $35?
$35 is the way to be a part of the parade.
So you can march
That's a
in the
parade
parade.
entry. Yeah, you can march. You can ride a car. Whatever it
it's
is.
just your ticket to be
You
part
know.
of the parade. Wow.
Yeah, you can get it right into the parade. So
That's
35.
amazing.
That's
And I'll
only
announce
35? That's only 35?
yes.
Wow.
So it is.
What a great opportunity for business owners to outreach the community of Santa Clarita. What an amazing event, the
And,
4th of
you know,
July. Imagine.
The theme, though, we want everybody to kind of stay with it. With the theme is the winning spirit.
The winning spirit.
Mhm.
Amazing.
The winning spirit.
And we have, and we also do, we have judges, and they judge in different categories, like equestrian. So, we have people who ride horses, and we have classic car entries. people bring their classic cars and marching. We always encourage the schools to send, marching bands. We're always looking for marching bands.
Oh, my
because
God.
a parade is just not a parade without
No.
a marching band.
That's awesome.
But we just have various organizations, who will do a float with a theme, and it really makes it fun.
Yes, so that's that. You're talking about the parade, and I'm just visualizing
Yes.
the parade. I'm just looking over
too.
at the parade, and I remember that we had this Cinco de Mayo event with the Latino Chamber, and we had this group from our our dear friend Monica from the city of Santa Clarita. She brought her group from Bolivia. Oh my God, that was a very colorful group.
Yes.
The Bolivian dancers.
Yes, we have dancers.
Dancers,
yes.
yeah. And I imagine like having all this colorful representing the Latino community in our city of Santa Clarita.
Well, there you go.
There you go.
That's
I'm
an
already
entry.
creating an entry for my nonprofit organization. I'm just talking and I'm visualizing
that's
and putting
what we
colors
need.
in my mind. That's and the 26th, which is like before
Yes.
the. So you're gonna be there sharing your top secrets.
My top
Send me-
secret?
Your top secrets
Yes.
on how to be a successful power woman. So excited to have you.
Well, I'm
to
glad that
be
we
a
have the
part of it.
venue. We have Power Women's, center, which is a wonderful venue.
Always have a venue and it's open, the doors are open. If it's something positive for our community, as I always mention, Gloria, I'm always willing to donate the venue. The venue is there. The venue is here for our community. It's here to bring a plus. My only concern is to bring the people.
Yeah.
But not a biggest concern because outreaching the community and doing a well advertising and a good marketing campaign, we will always have people attending to our events. As you can see, we always have people. And I'm so
That's
glad
right.
that the city of Santa Clarita, it's always positive and very attentive to attend to all our events. And I'm so happy. I'm seeing many new faces all the time. And that's telling me something, ringing the bell. Yeah, people are listening with what you're doing and they really want to be part of your nonprofit, really want to be part of your events and having the
very
opportunity
supportive
to supportive and I love the community and I'm very proud of being part of this community. But Gloria, next month you're going to be in our radio show. And we're going to continue.
Forward.
I'm looking forward to having our next radio show, but we are going to go back to our some commercials and we're going to come back to our hometown station, KHTS AM 1220, and
Thank
in a
you
few minutes,
so
we're going to
much,
have
Gloria.
You bet.
Candelario from New York Life. He's going to come back in our
Kenny.
next segment. Kenny. I call him Kenny Candelario. Kenny. He's supporting powerful women. So he better
Always
be
a
here.
good thing. Yes.
Thank you, Gloria.
Thank you, Gloria.
You're very
Thank
welcome.
you.